Did you know the man who created democracy's golden age lost everything that mattered to him? Pericles built Athens into the greatest city on earth. Then plague struck. His sister died. His sons died. His closest friends died. Yet standing over their graves, he delivered history's most powerful funeral speech. He said, "The dead don't want our tears. They want our purpose." That grief becomes strength when we honor the lost by building something greater. 2,000 years later, his words still echo. Your pain has meaning when it becomes your mission.